We are going crazy with social media with our high schools and middle school kids, where we're telling them no Facebook, no social media, not that they should be there anyways because they're underage, and then we tell them no cell phones. But the problem is that they're going to do it anyway. So instead of banning it, why aren't we spending more time teaching it? I do a lesson in the classroom with older kids where I put up what I call the bank billboard. And I put the billboard on the big wall. And on the billboard I say, okay, this is our social media billboard. And we practice that. And I say, okay, when you have your phone, you turn your phone over, go ahead and type something in there like you were going to post it on social media. And they go, oh, and we take a subject and we get all into it and it's fun. And then the kids do that and I say, okay, now, before you can hit send on your social media page, I want you to go up and stick it on the billboard. And half the kids are like, I ain't putting it on the billboard. And I said, well, that's exactly what you're doing. And once they make that aha connection, they're like, oh, wait a second. So I always tell them, go ahead, write it down if you want to. That's your automatic thought. You can have that all you want. Don't hit post unless you put it on the billboard. If you don't want to see it on the top of the bank building, you don't want to see it on social media. You got to make some concrete connections. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.